Get a little handful, give yourself a little immunity boost. What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of El Jardín Perdido. Today we're harvesting elderberry. All right, so elderberry grows pretty well here and it's really abundant and nutrient dense. It's actually just, it'll pop up all around here. So I have several spots in the yard where we're planting that, and today we're gonna go ahead and harvest some of that. All right, so this one is a little better than the one I have in the front yard. Gets a little less heat, a little less direct sun, and it's going off pretty well right now. So all we're gonna do is just start cutting off all these. Just so you know, you can harvest the flowers too. They're really nutrient dense. You can make teas out of them. They have medicinal properties. And you can eat some of these raw, just sparingly, because you will get a tummy ache if you go too hard on them. So I do have a bucket right here. I guess I can put them in. But yeah, as I said, you can get a little handful. Give yourself a little immunity boost. Main purpose of these, I'm sure you've seen them commercially now, is they have a really high vitamin C content, so people use them for immunity. But yeah, we're just gonna go cutting everything we see, putting them in the bucket. All right, so as you can see, I've about filled this bucket here. So we had a pretty good harvest. As far as the rest, leave some on there for the birds. I can come by and snack on them a little bit, but didn't over harvest. All right guys, so we had a pretty good harvest. From here, what I like to do is boil these up, separate them from the plant, boil them for a while. That'll extract everything, strain those out, and then even boil down that and concentrate it a little bit. And then I add some of my own honey to that as a preservative. And I can take from this anytime you're getting that little tickle in your throat. You take some of this, like I said, at least in Whole Food stores and stuff, it's marketed now as the next best thing. But yeah, it's something that you can grow just about anywhere. As far as I know, I think it grows up to zone 7 maybe even higher. But we're here in 9A. Grows just fine here. I do have it growing in a few different places, so I do notice where it gets full sun in our summers, it doesn't do quite as well as it does back here with a little bit of shade. All right guys, just wanted to take you along for that quick little harvest. If you have any questions or anything else to add, feel free to put those in the comments. All right, well that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.